Hit it.
Hey, go look. I'm gonna go wait. I remember this guest. Remember the
Trouble someone.
We have, I don't want to call her by her name because she's married now. Welcome back to our channel.
Castello.
Del.
Masonia.
You know how we rock it. So we're out today. And today's vlog is special.
Yeah.
It's the first time we're having guests.
Yeah.
And this guest is our longtime friends. They've become family.
Sure.
And I'm so excited before we even introduce who their names are. But today,
like we said, guys, we're gonna come back, check out the boat cruise. So yeah, it's that time again.
yeah.
And how much does it cost? Where can you find them?
So it's a four of us. So it's our guests, the couple, and us. It costs 1,000 for 4 people.
Yeah.
So that is reasonable. But you get others which is just 2 people or 8 people. Check on their website how much it is and their times. So
Yeah.
we did a sunset boat, which is at 4 o'clock. And yeah, are we ready to introduce our guests? So this is Refilo Monta and her husband Jabulo. It's Mr. and Mrs. Nova. Guys, I'm so excited you're with us, and yeah,
It's good to be here. Thank you for having us. Thank you for featuring us on your channel.
Okay, why? So the skipper must always be closest to shore.
Oh, okay.
And then boats coming this way have on the left side right of way.
Okay.
Let me just so whenever you see waves, you drive into them.
Okay.
That's how you can finish them quicker.
Okay.
Move along them, let them then almost then you
Then I go back. Okay. Nice. pictures. You can check it out on Instagram. We had a great time with Jabula and Fifi. Hopefully we can plan and do another trip together. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for joining us.
Thank you for having
Thank you
us.
for having us. Thank you for
Hopefully we
inviting
can
us.
do more.
Many more trips. I agree to that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anything else, folks?
Nothing. You know the drill.
Subscribe,
Like.
share, comment.
Comment.
See you guys in the next one.
Bye.